This is final call. DSSKA Warriors. Submit your team list fast. DSKA Warriors.
Friends, in keeping with international standards, in this tournament, for the first time in India, we are having an electronic scoreboard where the scoring is done by joysticks. All the referees, all these judges have a joystick in their hand, and they are automatically giving a score of either 1, 2, or 3, and which then gets collated as the flags are supposed to be. They replace flags now, and it's automatic. We can see this, and we have seen this in the World Karate Federation Championships, in the Asian Karate Championships. But in India, this is Kolkata, which is for the first time where we are having this electronic scoreboard and this joystick operation taking place. Scoring by way of joysticks. Flags are eliminated now. This just goes to show the standards of this particular tournament in the 11th year, in the 10th year of its existence. This has become a tournament of great excellence, and worldwide it is now having great recognition. And we have had teams in the past from Bangladesh, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Singapore, Myanmar, Malaysia, Thailand, East Timor, Dubai, UAE, Iran, South Africa. And this year also we have South Africa, Nepal, Malaysia, UAE and the UK, which is also welcome, a very big welcome. This tournament has in the past had over 6 to 60 plus. We have had the presence of the Indian Army, the services team, the ITBP, the CRPF amongst others in the past, and this time also the Indian Army shall be present. The World Karate Federation and Asian Karate Federation recognize top international referees and judges from all parts of the world, and they are present to ensure the highest levels of the sport. We have various dignitaries here present amongst us, and as we will move forward towards the inauguration, I shall be then informing you about them. Already present on the dais are Mr. Umashankar Ghosh Dastidar. As I have mentioned, he is the tournament chairman and usually responsible for the success of this tournament. We have here with us Mr. Kamlesh Chatterjee, the Vice President of the Bengal Olympic Association. And we have here Mr. Imran Zaki, the Honorable Secretary of St. Stephen's School, as well as member of FACES, and Mr. Rajendra Singh as well, the Vice President of FACES. Big warm welcome to you. We have also here Sensei Raju Mahajan, the President of the Nepal Shitoryu Karate Federation. And
Sudhir Sensei to Center Academy as well.
our tournament director, Hanshi Rajneesh Chaudhary, is here present here amongst us, as is the chief referee.